Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player. Today I'm going to show you how to play the original version of the song Rawhide by Frankie Laine. Not the Blues Brothers version like everybody else has on YouTube. This is the original. This was the opening to the television show. And I think in the world of country and Western music, this would be Western because it doesn't really sound country to me, but it definitely sounds like something that would have cowboys in the background. So it's got some funny little chord changes and kind of a did-on, little sort of a galloping sort of a guitar picking pattern. So let's start out with the first chord here. So our first chord is just going to be a simple E minor. Dunk-a-dunk, dunk-a-dunk, dunk-a-dunk. That's kind of how it goes. So it does that in the very beginning of the song, and when this fella starts singing, I guess it's Frankie Laine or whoever was singing the song, it moves into a regular old G chord here. Keep them doggies rolling, rawhide. Okay. Simple G chord. Third finger on the second finger on the third fret of the E string, second fret of the A, third and fourth down here on the third fret of the B and the E. From there, it goes back to the E minor for that long. Then it goes back to the G. Then it goes back to the E minor. Then it does something different. It's going to go okay. So I'll play through that real quick. Okay, so simple D chord, second fret of the G and the E, and the third fret of the B string, to a C, to a C, to a B minor. The C is going to be the third fret of the A, the second fret of the D, the first fret of the B string. For this B, you're just going to bar the second fret. Then you're going to put your third and fourth finger on the fourth fret of the D and the G string. Okay. Then it goes E to the D, to the E, D, B, E, E. Okay. So I'm gonna do me think. I'll do it from, let's do it from the where he starts singing. It goes rolling, rolling. E to the D. Okay, then it's going to go to the chorus where it goes, ride him in, cut him out, you know, whatever that is. I don't know the words exactly, but it goes like this. So you're going to go this E chord and this B chord. that's the first half of the song, and then it moves up 1 fret basically here, but they play it a little differently. So let me show you how it goes. So you're going to make this F minor bar chord where you bar across the 1st fret, then you're on the 3rd fret of the A and the D. When you start singing, you move up to this A flat, which is the same bar chord. You're just going to slide it up to the 4th fret here. Okay, so from there you're gonna go back to this. You're gonna go F, it's gonna be an E flat, E flat, which is a bar chord across the 6th fret from the A string down, and then on the 8th fret from the D string down, you're gonna lay your middle finger. E flat, D flat, A flat note. That's the way I play it anyway. They might have been making a total chord there, complete chord there, but I just can't do that. So here's what I do. I do E flat, hit that D flat, which is the same chord, and move down to the 4th fret, then back up to that F chord. Okay, that's next. Twice on the E flat, twice on the D flat, then A flat, B flat notes, 4th and 6th frets on the E string, and a G or C chord. If you can get up to that chord, that sounds even better. Oops. So he does it twice. The first time, you're going to go F, second time around, it does the first part the same. And then on the second time around, when it does this second part here, it goes, instead of going to the C chord, you're going to go back up to this F chord. Okay, and then the chorus on the second part is going to be this F and the C chord. And that's how that winds up there. So this is one of those songs where you have to listen to the vocals to follow the chord progression. It basically follows the vocals. So I have to listen to my recording of it in order to really play well. Those are the chords. And hope you like this video. If you're a fan of this whole Western music, that's great. This is a good one. So Thank you. Have a nice day, and like and subscribe if you haven't already done it.